Good morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, soybeans are up another 46 cents with the SEP at 14.01. July is at 16.05. Soybean oil is up another penny at 61 cents, while meal's up almost $15 at 4.21. Corn's up 6 at 4.94 on the SEP, up 7 at 5.61 on the July. Wheat unchanged in Chicago at 6.51, while up 5 cents in Kansas City at 8.05 and 5 cents in Minneapolis at 8.22. Stocks a little bit higher. The dollar's a little bit higher. Crude's a little bit higher at $71 a barrel. We've got gold, copper, cocoa lower, while copper, coffee, sugar, and cotton are higher. In the grains, we're still have somewhat of a follow-through from Friday's USDA unexpected drop in U.S. bean acres. If you start plugging in harvested acres and a yield, carryout for 23-24 drops to only 160 million bushels. So it means we really haven't got any wiggle room for a lower yield. So you can see from the chart that September has gone from a low on 11/35 on May 31st. It bounced up to 13.89 only to pull back before the report to 12.70, and now we're over $14. You've got this high back in December 2022 at 14.57. Over in the corn market, complete opposite. When you look at the September corn chart, we had rallied from a low of 486 to a high of 620 on June 22nd, dropped all the way down to the overnight low of 483. A lot of resistance above the market, and we'll see if cash buyers want to step in and buy corn at these price levels. We also note that soybean oil was limit up on Friday, mostly because of the drop in U.S. acres and the expectations of higher demand for renewable fuels. Palm oil is also higher in Dalian, and soybean oil is also higher in Dalian. For the wheat market, we got some mixed views. Higher Ukraine crop, 22 year high in Canada acres, offers resistance, while a lower Argentina crop, lower U.S. hard red winter wheat acres, and some concern about some Russian weather. Again, Russia came out and said their crop is 78 million metric tons versus 85 based on the USDA numbers. So we'll see how high is high in the bean market because of this USDA numbers. We'll see how low is corn as we get into the critical pollination period. The both 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day maps call for mostly general rains across the Midwest with temperatures near to below normal. So I think that's good for crops. So then kind of fall back on demand. China is the biggest cash short in the soybean market, and there's certainly a market's gotten away from. So we'll see what they do as far as buying beans.